Hello and welcome to our Learning Hub. I'm Marshall, one of the owners here at Assurance Roofing and Exteriors. Here in the Learning Hub, we've carefully designed these videos and blogs to answer the most common questions our clients ask. Wondering what materials are best for your home? We've got that covered. Need advice for filing insurance claims after storms? We're here to walk you through it step by step. Our goal is simple, to make the process more clear, easier, and stress-free for you. At Assurance Roofing and Exteriors, we believe in empowering property owners with the right information so you can make confident, well-informed decisions about your home or business. Explore the Learning Hub today and discover everything you need to know about roofing, siding, and the insurance process. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Start exploring and find the answers you need with just a click.